Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Minecraft public SMP. First, choose a reliable hosting provider that fits your needs, whether it's a dedicated server or a shared host. Next, select your server software. Paper or Spigot are excellent choices for performance and plugin compatibility. Finally, ensure you allocate enough RAM, ideally 4 GB or more, to support multiple players and prevent lag. This foundational step is crucial for a stable and enjoyable experience. Now, let's dive into configuring your server. You'll need to edit the server.properties file to tailor the experience. Adjust settings like difficulty, game mode, and the maximum number of players. For security, consider enabling online mode to verify player accounts, or setting up a whitelist to control who can join. These adjustments ensure your server runs exactly as you envision. To truly make your SMP unique, you'll want to add plugins. Essential ones include administrative tools like Luck Perms for permissions and World Guard for region protection. Consider economy plugins for in-game trading and anti-griefing measures to maintain a fair environment. Remember to establish clear rules, and if your community grows, build a dedicated moderation team to enforce them. With your server configured and enhanced, it's time to go public. Promote your SMP on Minecraft forums, social media, and server listing sites to attract players. Crucially, implement a regular backup schedule, perhaps daily, to protect your hard work. Finally, keep your server software and plugins updated to ensure security, stability, and access to the latest features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.